my name is Miss Alli and I work with Miss Stephanie at the Mullica Hill Library branch. Today we're going to be making spring crafts with an egg carton. I'm going to be making a chicken and a bunny. So for the bunny, you'll need colored markers. I have black, orange, yellow, and pink. And for the chickie, you're going to need pom-pom balls, googly eyes, and colored paper. Now feel free to make both of these crafts, but the first one I'm going to start off with is the bunny. So for the bunny, you're going to start with your egg carton and you're going to cut off the top of the egg carton. You're going to cut along the fold. Now once you have the fold, you're going to pick one of these little spots and cut it out. Now be really careful with this at home if you have a parent to help. It'll look something like this. Now for mine at least, it has a point from the carton, so I cut off a little bit so that it'll stay on the table. And so for the bunny, I'm going to start off by making ears. To make the ears, I'm going to use the top part just because I want to use the bottom part for the body that I'm going to be making for both of my crafts. And so for the ears, you just want to make a wide, kind of sort of oval shape. And you want to make it pointed at the top and the bottom. So it's going to look something like this. For your last step, you're going to be drawing on the ears, making a face, gluing on the ears, and then your bunny will be complete. Now I'm using a hot glue gun, so make sure you have a parent to help you if you are using this, but I think tape or regular glue would work just fine. Here is my finished bunny. Make sure that you do it on the side that is more open than the back, and when you glue the ears on, make sure that the words are going to be facing the back. And so now for the chicken craft. This one's a little bit more simple. You're going to just take a palm. That's going to be your little hatching chicken, and we're just going to create the little hatched effect by drawing zigzags on the carton. So it's gonna look something like this. And you're gonna do this for the top and the bottom. So now that we have the top and the bottom of the cracked eggshell, we're going to put the little chicken inside to really make it look like a hatched egg. Now I'm going to add googly eyes and a little orange beak to make my chicken look more like a chicken. So now that you have eyeballs on your little chicken, I found the easiest way to make a beak is to take a piece of paper, fold it, and cut a triangle, and then it'll give you something like this, which you're then just going to glue on. And another step that you could add is to color this however you wish. Your final two crafts are going to look something like this. These are really cute for the springtime and Easter season to give as gifts or leave around your house. I hope that you try these out.